Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. If it is the first time here, hit that subscribe button right there, because I do the videos about the bikes, and it's quite useful channel that you can learn a lot from it. Now what we're gonna talk about today is the tires. If you look over here, I have two kinds of different tires. So this one and this one are the same, and this one is a little different. So we're gonna talk about when is the right time to replace one, and I have a perfect situation here where one of my bikes was brought here, which is this one right here, and as you see over here, this tire has a lot of tread. However, it's starting to crack here, and what we call that is starting to get rotten. See what happens here? There's a wear in there. And at a certain point of time, that wire and a rubber will separate, which is gonna cause the major accident when you're on the bike. And due to the cracking, the tire should be replaced, even though it has a decent amount of tread on it. And that's how you know whether or not you should replace your tire. And this is a perfect indication right here what's happening. Now I'm gonna just take you over here and show you what the healthy, we call them white wall, looks like. And if you look at the difference here and look at this thing here, I think it's pretty obvious that this one is much healthier, pretty much, which is brand new. Now I'm gonna take you to the racing bicycle tire, which is a little trickier to see, because what's happening is that you have this over here main rubber component, and sometimes they put some dots over here, and by looking at the dots you can see how much tread you have there. What I would recommend you to do, look over here, take the tire off, and look how thick is it over here where the tire touches the ground. And by determining how thick is it, you will be able to see if it needs to be replaced or not. Now another thing, if you see these side marks, they would also get worn out, so you will have like a flat spot, and this line in the middle wouldn't be there. So a few indications that this line over here would be pretty worn out, which will create like a longer strip of a bold spot. And that's how you know that you have worn out tires. Keep in mind at this point you're going to be also getting the flats, and that's a good indication that it's time to put new tires on. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.